I chose Tynker as one of my technology resources because coding is something I don't know a whole lot about, and some of my students have expressed interest in wanting to learn more about how video games are made because they are very curious as to why it takes so long for video games to be released from previous versions. I'm also interested in getting my students into the hour of code that happens every year. The purpose would be to show students what video game programmers have to do in order to make sure that their games work properly. And it will help students kind of explore more about their passions and interests outside of school and kind of tie everything back together. Let's go to this. I am going to sign out of my teacher account here, and I will sign back in as the student. That I created for myself. I need to sign in with Google, not that. Here. Okay. I'm going to X out of that. So I'm going to it says the student view website page. I'm going to click on the class that I am a part of, and I'm going to push start. And it will walk you through how to do stuff. It starts with intermediate things. And you can choose your character, which I think several students will enjoy. You could customize. I'm going to skip over the customization for right now and jump straight into the quick demo of this. Okay. Oh, click the arrow here. And you use the arrow keys to move. Okay. So you have to create how to get your thing to move. Okay. So on start, we will repeat until we get to the portal. We'll go forward. Let's add some extra pieces in here. And then if an obstacle, we will jump. And then we'll move forward. And we will push play and we shall see what happens. Okay. So as you see, that I didn't turn mine. I didn't put the turn command in. So it would go forward and jump and forward and then fall. And then we would simply just need to make it turn around so that it can continue. We'll take the forward out. And then if screen edge, then we will turn around. And then we'll put another if obstacle in to jump. And let's replay and see what happens now. Okay, doesn't seem to have turned around. Oh, I simply made my turnaround too late. So it would tell your students exactly where their mistakes are, and then it would be up to them to critically think about what to do next.